Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Trailhead Ranger NG, and we are doing this series to complete this trail mix, that is unlock your data with data cloud. And we are very near to the end of this series. So we have completed this module in our last video, that is data cloud insights using SQL, and now we'll be talking about insights builder in data cloud. So similarly, the way we have talked about that how we can create the calculated insights and the streaming insights using the SQL, similarly we'll be talking about how we can create those using the insights builder. So let's get started with it. I'll open this module and let's get started with our first unit, that is create insights with the insights builder. So we are creating insights using the insight builder in this series. So we are having an option to create the insights either using a insights builder or using the SQL. So insights builder is a builder or a drag and drop tool similar to the we have another builder for the segmentation. So similar to that, we are having insight builder for the calculation insight and the streaming insights. We can create the new insight just by going to the calculated insights tab in the data cloud. Then while clicking on the new button, we can select which insights we want to create and using which way we want to create, either using SQL or using the builder. Then we can create the objects. We can select the elements like nodes such as join, aggregate, case, filters, transform, or maybe arithmetic expression. So all these nodes are having different purpose to it. Like if we are using join, so join is having join type and the join keys. Join type is left join, right join, inner, and the full join. So if we are joining it with another DMO, it will give us an option that what all the data we want to accomplish in using both these data sources. So using join type we can know that, and then join keys also we have. And after selecting the DMOs, we can perform the aggregate operation as well. For the aggregate operation, we will select the aggregate node, and after selecting the aggregate node, it will give us an option to select the measures and the dimension. So measure will tell us using the measure we can select the metric for the field to base the calculations on, and like sales order. And for the dimensions we can select what field or piece of data we want to use to organize the data. So yeah, let's come to the quiz. Our first question is true or false if we can build only calculated insights in insights builder. So no, false. We can also build streaming insights as well. Second question is what node option in insights builder performs the calculation and returns a single value. So first option is join, second is transform, third is case, and the last one is aggregate. So aggregate performs the calculation and returns a single value. So let's check, and it's correct. Let's move on to the next unit of this module, that is enhance your insight with the data builder, with the builder. So we can manipulate our data again using different nodes. So earlier we have talked about the join and the aggregate node. Now if we will focus on the case, filters, transform, and the arithmetic expression node. So in the case node or using the case node, we can create a logic statement which can narrow the result based on the specific criteria. Filters, as its name suggests, that is we can define the filters on the measures as well as on the dimensions to reduce the results based on when a condition is met. Using a transform node, we can change or clean the data based on the fields in our selected data object. And then again, using the arithmetic expression, we can perform the arithmetic calculations to create the insights used in the segmentation filters. So they have explained one of the insights builder example. You can go through it, but we have covered one of the hands-on experiment already on this. So if you will go through that video, you'll get much better idea. So now let's come to the quiz for this unit, that is which node option allows you to create calculations that can be used in segmentation. First option is filters, second is transform, third option is case, and the last one is arithmetic expression. So D option should be the correct one. Second question is true or false. Insights are only used in marketing campaigns. First option is true and second is false. So no, insights can also used in other campaigns or other strategy or other industry as well. Let's check. And it's completed, or this module is completed. So if we go back on our trail mix, we have done this module, and this project is also covered as part of our one of the videos. So I will paste that link of the video in the description, and even I'll try to have it on the top here, so you can get the better link to it. And this knowledge check also, you can go through the this help article, and you'll get much better idea. You'll get some of the insights in regarding the segmentation and the insights in data cloud. So yeah, I'll mark this as complete. So this is done, this section is also completed. So I guess this is the, yeah, okay. So this is the last section. We are having act on data. So what it is having, so it is also not having much thing. So I'll complete this as part of here only. So act on data is the section. Here we are covering on how it is performing on the data using the activations and activation targets and other things. So you can watch this video. So we cannot achieve that practically without having the real time examples and the real time database access. So you can go through the video and you'll get idea on that. So again, I'll mark this as complete. Then we are having data actions explained. So it is also very similar to that. They are creating a data action and then performing a use case for that. So I will be marking it as complete as well. Related article on that act on data, again marking it as complete. And then for the get certification ready, this is the module we are having. And if it is not complete, we'll cover that. Yeah, so we'll cover this module as part of our next video. So if you learn something in this video, please like it and subscribe the channel and stay tuned. And if you have any doubt, any opinion, please let me know in the comment section. And